If you like this look, go ahead and thumbs up this video now because it's only going to get better. All I'm doing is showing you how I got here. With this look, I'm going to need y'all to drop some yellow hearts in the comments if you like this. That will tell me yay or nay, okay? So I need your feedback. I need to know if you like 1, 2, or 3 better, because I may use this as like my profile pictures on my social media pages, and because I really love this picture. My makeup artist was really showing out, and the hair is gorgeous. So this is what it looked like in its natural state on your left, and on your right is what it looked like after I curled it. So here it is, and I'm going to use this wand curling iron to curl it, and this is Nadula hair. 100% virgin hair, body wave hair with a lace closure to match. And okay, so the bundles are already colored, and so was the lace closure. Usually finding the company with a lace closure to match is very hard to find, but somehow they did it, and I'm very grateful and happy for it. So let's talk about this flat iron, okay, because it was a problem. So I have a chi wand. However, it decided to go out on me, and I really wanted to create this look with this wand. However, this wand is a wand that can open up and close, so you can kind of flat iron a little bit like short hairs with it, or you can just use it as a wand. But it's by Babyliss, and if you use it as a wand, you will have dents at the beginning of your curl. So that was the caveat. I did not appreciate that, but it still overall looked gorgeous. So when you see the finished product and you see those dents, that is from the wand, okay? But with the ombre, I just feel like you really get the look of the curl if it's wand curled. Oh my god, it looks so gorgeous. The hair did not hold this curl that long. I will tell you that I sprayed the heck out of this hair with Kendra hairspray, and this is her top hold hairspray. So yes, I finger combed it through afterwards, but it should have held it a little bit longer than a day. So my recommendation for you would be to straighten this hair. Wear it straight. The color is perfectly even throughout the entire pack of the hair. So every bundle is perfectly colored, so you won't have any problem wearing it straight. I would do this look, but do it for an event. If you're doing like the wand curls, do it for a special event. It's like one night only, and then go back to straight. Another thing you really want to understand is that this hair is processed at the ends, okay? So regardless or not if you have virgin hair, when you start lifting it up to that extremely light color at the bottom, you have processed hair at this point. So you want to be very careful. You want to make sure that you keep it moisturized on the ends, because it will become very brittle, and it will break off. So this hair is good hair, and it's nice hair. You just want to be mindful of the ends when you're curling it and when you're putting heat on it, that you're not over processing it, because it's processed on the ends, but you don't want to over process it. So look at those curls. What do you think? I couldn't keep it like this. And you see what I mean when I say I'm over spraying it. Like, I am spraying the heck out of it to make sure that those curls really hold when I pull it through. I don't know why I'm playing with this hair so much. I just really wanted you to see it. It looks really good. All right, so I have my elastic band on it already. I sewed this from the 3 bundles along with the closure, and you see the length of it. It's 26 inches, and curled it's down to my butt, but that doesn't say much. I'm only 5'4", 5'5", I guess the doctor told me recently. So finger combing it, and because I didn't want that super curled look, because I didn't want to look like one of the old presidents in an old movie or something. It was just not okay. But I'm finger combing through it, and I love it. It looks so much better this way to me. This is really a hairstyle that I would go to a public event with. Like if I had to host something, or if I was a vendor at an event, this is what I would wear. Cool. Okay. If you are a subscriber of mine, you would know by now what that is that I am using. And I say it in every video other than this one. So I'm going to challenge you to go to another video and figure out what it is and come back and comment and tell me what it is, because I know you all know by now, okay? So what I'm doing here is I'm kind of trying to flatten the root of it and kind of flatten some of the dent that this flat iron made because of the way it has that line right there. But I couldn't get all of the lines out, as you see here, because it would change the way the curl pattern is directed, and I really didn't want to change that. I really love the look. Even with those lines in it, I really didn't care. It was still gorgeous to me. So look at the ends. Look at, oh my God, the color. Curls and color is perfect. Tell me what you thought of the makeup as well. I'm feeling it clearly because you see me dancing. Okay, and let's kind of show it what it looks like from the front. Oh my God, the wave that the curls create are just like unmatched, okay? Like I was like, I wanted it to bounce. It's so bouncy. I was listening to music, but you wouldn't know that. But this is just a little bit of silly me, which you all should know by now that I have in me. But I appreciate you all watching. The video is not over yet, but you guys, I really want you to drop that yellow heart. I will say it again, and tell me what you think about the lipstick. It's Jeffree Star's lipstick. It's called Mannequin.